somewhere there was this little catalyst of discomfort within me that we're just scratching the surface. We're just looking at what we want to look at. But what lies within that person? How do they look at themselves? So the journey of What is Love began by giving them the materials of their vocabulary.
No, initially when I went in, of course, one went to the plan because you had it in your mind that there's going to be a show and you needed to show something, and somewhere in your head you still have it in that space that the work would be your work.
In the beginning, yes, I did have something in mind, but then I realized that it's better to just let it evolve and flow.
पहले मैंने पूछा उनसे कि आपको क्या ड्रॉ करना आता है, तो उन्होंने बोला कि हमें कुछ भी नहीं आता। तुम अपना सुंदर सा मुस्कुराहट कर देना।
So all the uncertainty, all the doubts that I had, whether what we will be able to make and what should be made, they kind of flew out of the window because the women were so amazing. And the enthusiasm they worked with was just brilliant, I'd say. The clay would go into their hand and they'll start shaping up. It was like, already they had a project in their mind which was working out. So I moved out of that space by the third class.
It was lovely to see how absorbed they got into it. It took a little while getting a hold of the technique and to understand exactly how and what they're supposed to do with it.
कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी थे जैसे फैमिली नहीं है, जब मैं जाती थी तो खुश हो जाते कि आज नया कुछ ड्रॉ होगा, नया कलर्स। तो फ्लावर्स तो हैप्पीनेस का प्रतीक है, तो फ्लावर्स से हमने स्टार्ट किया। हमने उनको पूरा स्पेस दे दिया कि आप जितना आपके मन में जो खुशी है उसको कैसे एक्सप्रेस करोगे।
Fabric itself is so tactile. There are silks which are smooth, there are khadi, there is cotton, there is jute, there's so many different kinds of textures. Everything involves your fingers, your fingertips touching it. It's such a sensory experience.
Shalu, if you remember, who doesn't speak, doesn't hear anything, doesn't say anything. And the minute she would walk in the class, she will gesture, give me clay. And then whenever I would try to tell her something, she would just have this hand that, okay, get lost. You're not needed here. And she's diligently working away. And then finally, when the product is ready, she's picking it up and with pride showing you, okay, now look at what I made.
They wouldn't want to stop. They were just very, very happy to continue. And every time I left, they would be like, Kal aayegi, Kal aayegi. Will you come tomorrow?
There was a connection that was there. A communication with the artists, who also did not speak the language of the world. They spoke the language of art. And when that happened, there was magic. There was a creation.
आर्ट एक थेरेपी है, तो ये मुझे इतना नहीं पता था पहले कि मतलब ये इस तरीके से भी काम कर सकता है.
And I know the therapeutic and the healing effects that arts are actually working with hands too.
That's the most basic instinct, is your hand. And when you get into it, then it's your heart that comes into it. And then you feel for it. And just between the hand and heart, I think a lot of battles are won. I think what was also very, very lovely was that it didn't become a thing of my work and your work.
So yeah, the plan flew out of the window. And whatever came was in front of you, and I thought it was all pretty well organized, and the textile and the clay and the painting, everything at some level just came together.
We were really rooting that, for a long time, that these women should come to the show, because we really wanted to show them how things have come together.
Why? Why did we want to have that show? The show was only to communicate that emotions, thoughts, feelings, what you do is not one group's alone. Everybody has the same thing. What we don't have is the measure to understand it.
मैं बस ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि क्रिएटिविटी जो है, जो कल्पना है, वो सबसे बड़ा हमारे को भगवान ने एक वरदान दिया। सब लोगों को वो कल्पना नहीं मिलती, और मेरे को लगता है कि दिस इज अ डिवाइन ग्रेस. यू हैव टू बी ब्लेस्ड टू हैव आर्ट इन योर लाइव्स. क्योंकि आई एम वेरी वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट आर्ट. आई जस्ट बिलीव दैट आर्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म्स लाइक नथिंग. आज की दुनिया में जहाँ हर जगह लड़ाइयाँ हो रही हैं, क्या चीज हमको केंद्रित और एकत्रित रखता है? वो कला है. और मैंने जो देखा है, ये जो प्रेम की बात, जो मोहब्बत की बात, व्हाट इज लव, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल थीम यू हैव टेकन. बिकॉज आज क्या है, लव की ही तो कमी है. काइंडनेस एंड लव.
अब इसके लिए शब्द भी नहीं है कि मैं ये कहूँ मैं कितना खुश हूँ. और आप सब बच्चों को मेरा आशीर्वाद. और कुछ न कुछ हमारी संस्था जो है यूनाइटेड ट्राइब्स कुछ न कुछ करती रहेगी. ये इनको पता रखता रहेगा, इनके दिमाग को पता रखा रहेगा. मुझे पहचान लो. यस, प्रेम अंकल.
So when we began the program, we really understood that yes, what we need to do is not only to understand the works, but to understand the people, but to have the world understand people. That this is what they feel, this is what they think, this is what you and I also think. But this is all covered in these layers and layers of misunderstanding of the self, the layer of what the world thinks of me, the layer of do you actually accept me?
One good point was that every visitor who came was hanging around for at least half an hour, 45 minutes. I had friends who hung around there for an hour also. So I think it captivated the audience it needed to, and it stirred up some emotions.
When everything was put up at the exhibition, their photographs, their artworks neatly arranged on the wall, so many different people looking at their work and appreciating them, and coming to a beautifully done up place like that, and it was such a fantastic experience. We had been anticipating this for the longest time, and when they finally entered the exhibition room, I think all of us were in tears. We were all choked up. I don't know how to express it. I don't know how to express what they were feeling. I don't know how to express what I was feeling. It was very special.
But then we also realized at the end of the show that this is just the beginning. That in 5 months, we are not going to understand anybody's psyche. We are not going to do that. But we knew the opening. There was the doorway. We saw the doorway. We walked through the doorway. And we are going to now be exploring this deeper and deeper to really understand how different genders feel. We only work with women. How do the men who are in similar situations, how do they feel? So we'll throw away the caste of gender and look at them as people like you, me, people. No gender, no nothing.